Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with Miss Sari in a mathematics class. And don't forget to keep your health and stay happy. Okay, we are going to continue the lesson about the time. But please remember about the previous time. We have tell about telling time in a quarter past and quarter to and also a half past. And today we will continue about the telling time in 5 minutes intervals. Okay, this is the analog clock. Yeah, this is analog clock. And please look at the number, all of the number in this clock. There are 12 number, right? Start from 1 until 12. And I'm gonna tell you that each number of the clock represent 5 minutes. So we can count round in fives. Maksudnya, jadi di dalam jam analog ini kita akan menemukan angka 1 sampai 12 kan. Kemudian, tahukah kalian bahwa di setiap angkanya ini mewakili 5 menit atau menunjukkan waktu 5 menit. Jadi setiap perpindahan jarum panjang dari angka 1 ke angka yang lain menunjukkan bahwa waktunya akan bertambah 5 menit, selalu bertambah 5 menit. And then please remember about the counting in fives. Berhitung loncat 5. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi ketika kalian menghitung perpindahan waktu dari satu angka ke angka yang lain, ini akan selalu bertambah 5. Jadi seperti menghitung bilangan loncat 5. Oke? Jadi tinggal menambahkan saja 5 plus 5 plus 5 and so on. And then next, please look at the movement of the long hands. Yeah, it will go from number to number. Yeah, until they go to 12. Yeah, do you remember about the past area and to area in the previous meeting? Let's remember. Okay, when the long hand is pointing at 3, it means that it is quarter past. And the long hand is pointing at 6, it means that it is half past. And when the long hand is pointing at 9, it means that it is quarter to. Still remember about that? Okay, now let's focus on the 5 intervals of time. For example, first, when the long hand is pointing at 1, it means that it is 5 past. Jadi saat jarum panjangnya menunjuk angka 5, artinya waktunya sudah bertambah 5 menit. So, we can say it is 5 past. Jam sekian lebih 5 menit. And then when the long hand is pointing at 2, it means that it is 10 past. Jadi ketika mulai berpindah ke angka 2, jarum panjangnya, maka waktunya sudah bertambah lagi 5 menit. Jadi dari 5 ditambah 5 sama dengan 10, maka kita membacanya jadi jam sekian lebih 10 menit. And then when the long hand is pointing at 3, we use quarter past. Okay, and continue to the 6. Jadi ini sampai kita menggunakan past itu sampai di angka 6. And when the long hand is start to go to 7 up, means that it is always add by 5 and then go to the next hour. Jadi sudah menuju ke jam berikutnya. For example, when the long hand is pointing at 7, it means that it is 25. How can we get the 25? You just count, start from 7, count in fives. Jadi cara menghitungnya dengan menambahkan 5 ke atas sampai angka 12. Okay, let's start to count. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 times. 5 times 5 equals 25. But it is go to the next hour. Karena sudah di area merah atau di area 2 menuju ke jam berikutnya, maka kita menyebutnya adalah jam sekian kurang 25 menit. Atau 25 menit lagi menuju ke jam berikutnya. Okay, let's start to the next. Yeah. Okay, now please look at the two kinds of clock. Okay, the first clock, this one, it is analog clock, right? And this one is digital clock. Okay, when you look at the analog clock, you will find the long hand and the short hand like usual. And when you look at the digital clock, you will find only numbers here. Okay, can you see the same time of these two kinds of clock? Yes, of course, they have the same time. Okay, now let's look at the next. Nah, can you read this time? When the long hand is pointing at 3 and the short hand is at 12, it means that, yes, this is a quarter past 12. And in a digital clock, the time is always be written like this one, 12:15. The 12 one is showing the hour and the 15 is showing the minutes. Okay, next. Yeah, this is the explanation about the digital clock. You have known this one. Let's go to the next. Do you see the difference of these two digital display? Ya, ini dua-duanya adalah jam digital yang menunjukkan waktu yang sama, tapi ada perbedaan. Ya, the first one there is 0, and the second one there is no 0, right? But it can be used. Ini bisa digunakan dua-duanya. Okay, now let's try to, yeah, okay, please look at these two kinds of clock. Okay, let's look at the analog clock first. Yeah, when the short hand is pointing at 2, means that it is 2 in the hour place, ya. Di dalam digital juga akan menunjukkan angka 2. And then, what about the next hand? Yeah, for the long hand is pointing at 6. Means that it is 30 minutes. 30 minutes past 2, ya, or a half past 2. So, in the minutes place will show 30, ya. Di bagian menit di jam digital ini akan menunjukkan angka 30. Artinya jarum panjangnya sudah berjalan sampai di menit ke 30. So it is 2:30 in a digital clock. And you can write down like this. The time is half past 2 karena sudah berjalan setengah jam dari pukul 2. But in bahasa we can say it is setengah 3 karena sudah hampir menuju jam 3. Setengah jam lagi sudah pukul 3. Jadi kita biasa mengatakan ini adalah jam setengah 3. And next, what about this time? Can you read what time is it? Yeah, when the short hand is at 5 and the long hand is at 9. Okay, for the 5 intervals, you can add 5 by 5 until you go to the 9. And let's look at the digital one. The hour place will show 4 and the minutes place will show 45 because when you add 5 and 5 until 9, you will get 49. Okay, and for the written way, we can say it is a quarter to 5. Okay, ya, setiap jarum panjangnya di angka 9 atau 3 kita selalu mengatakan ini a quarter. Tapi karena berada di angka 9 maka quarternya to karena menuju ke jam 5 atau jam berikutnya. Okay, next. What about this one? Yeah, this is 9 past, ya, lebih jam 9 lebih. So in the digital one we can say 9, we can see 9 here, and for the minutes hand it is 25, right? Because when you add 5 until 5, it will get 25. Okay, and the written way you can say it is 25 past 9, jam 9 lebih 25 menit. Okay, next, what about this one? Yes, this is 10 to 11, or in the digital way we can say it is 10.50, right? Jam 5, oh I'm so sorry, jam 10 lebih 50 menit, or 50 past 10, or we can use 2, 10 to 11, 10 menit lagi sudah menuju ke jam 11. maka kita bisa mengatakan ini 10 to 11. Nah, what about if the digital time show 8:15? I think that this is 15 past 8, yeah, or a quarter past 8. Let's see the analog clock. Yes, 8 and okay, this one, right? Okay, now what about this one? 12:40, jam 12 lebih 40 menit. Of course, the shorthand will pointing at 12 more, and then the minutes is pointing at 8 or at the 40th minute. Okay, ke menit 40. Or we can say it is 40 past 1, or okay, please try this one. When the digital show 10:05, so the shorthand is at 10 and the minutes one will show at 1. Okay, so it is 10:05 or 5 minutes past 10 or 5 past 10. Next, if the time is 2:55, so the shorthand will show almost at 3, hampir jam 3, karena ini jam 3-nya tinggal 5 menit lagi, kurang 5 menit lagi. So, the longhand will show at 11. Oke, karena tinggal 5 menit lagi sudah jam 3. And we can say it is 5 to 3. 5 menit menuju ke jam 3. 5 menit lagi sudah jam 3 atau jam 3 kurang 5 menit. Okay, now what about 7:45? Yeah, 45 will show at 9 for the longhand. So, please remember that when the longhand is at 9, it means that a quarter. But it is a quarter to. Ini sudah 15 menit menuju ke jam 8. So, the shorthand is almost at 8 and the longhand is at 9. Okay, we can say that it is a quarter to 8. Okay, now. Okay, I will explain you about the worksheet. Okay, you will get the clue here for make you remember all of the material that I have given to you. And the instruction for the worksheet is write the time shown underneath each clock. Use the labeled clock to help. Ya, silakan kalian diminta untuk menuliskan jam berapa ini sesuai dengan masing-masing waktu yang ditunjukkan. Kemudian di bagian yang kedua, please draw hands on each clock to show the time. Di sini ditunjukkan bahwa ada beberapa jam dan kalian diminta untuk membuat jarum jamnya, baik jarum menit maupun jarum jam. Okay, students, maybe that's all for today. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.